Alright guys, you're going to be working on lesson 62 today. So let's go ahead and get started. First things first, we have our sounds. My turn. Your turn. When I touch it, you say it. Get ready. Yes. Now, get ready to say the sounds when I touch them. Get ready. Yes. Get ready. Yes. Get ready. Yes. Get ready. Yes. Awesome job. Looking at the sounds. I'll cross out the sounds when you can say them. Get ready. Yes, A. Cross it out. Goodbye, A. Get ready. Cross it out. Goodbye, K. Get ready. Cross it out. Goodbye, A. Get ready. Cross it out. Goodbye, ah. Get ready. Cross it out. Goodbye, eh. Get ready. Sound. Get ready. Yes, D. Get ready. Yes, T. Moving on to our words. Here we go. Sound it out. Get ready. What word? Yes, sack. Next word. Get ready. What word? Yes, sick. Next word, sound it out. Get ready. What word? Yes, is. Next word. Sound it out. Get ready. What word? Yes, rack. Sound it out. Get ready. What word? Yes, Mac. Sound it out. Get ready. What word? Yes, tack. Last one. Get ready. What word? Yes, if. So these are our last words. You're going to sound them out. Get ready. What word? Yes, in. Get ready. What word? Yes, rock. Last one. Get ready. What word? Yes, it. Awesome job, guys.